In today's episode, I'm going to share with you a very large haul. So if you're interested in seeing what all I purchased, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Healthy Tips and More. Now today I have a very large grocery haul. I'm going to do it in sections because I have so much. I have the bags behind me, if you can see those, and I have a couple of bags over there on the other counter. So we're going to start what's right here in front of me. Okay, so what I put here basically are meat, potatoes, bread, that kind of things. So I got some croissants and a loaf of bread. Now, as you see, I keep forgetting to pick up that package of flour tortillas behind me. I bought it for the burritos. How can I forget it? I have a bag of shoestring potatoes or French fries. Then I got some sweet potato fries. Then I got 2 packages of salt-free taco mix. And also I got some large Russell potatoes, like to make baked potatoes with. I got these. I got another container of garlic powder because I was out of garlic powder. And over here I got what is this? A 1 7/4 pound of ground chuck. For my husband, I got some Beyond chicken tenders for me and some Beyond sausage links. Now this Beyond is plant-based. I got some Beyond breakfast sausages. Haven't tried those yet, so I want to try those. Also, I got this large pack of pork chops. Now this is a 3.9 pound of pork chops. I got 1.5 pounds of ham. This will be for his lunch. It's a low sodium chopped ham or smoked ham. And then I got a package of drumsticks. Now these are all the meat that I purchased because the deep freezer is pretty much has a lot of things in it, but I'm trying to replace the items that I've used already. Now, let me clear this off and we'll get to the next one. Okay, now we're going to start with this section, which I have these protein chips or tortilla chips. These are for his lunch. They're from Quest, so he can have these potato chips in his renal diet plan. Now I got him these little miniature fig Newtons for his lunch. He can have so many. So this bar represents the grams that he can have in fig Newtons. And I got him also some graham crackers. I picked up some of these fajita flats. They're like a bowl that you could put your mix in. Like instead of having a taco, you have a bowl. I want to try these, so I got these. And then the next thing I got was some hummus. I love hummus, and I've been trying different recipes from different places to see what I liked. And when we were out of town this past weekend, I got this burrito. It had this hummus on it. Then I had a sandwich, and it had hummus on it. So I was like, yeah, you need to pick up you some hummus. All right, so I got 2 cans of black beans for the burritos, 3 cans of tomato sauce, and then I thought I ordered 2 cans of pinto beans. I know I did. And what they did was instead they got me 4 cans of stewed tomatoes. Now I know I had 3 stewed and 2 pinto, but hey, okay. So then I got some more of this nice garlic. I was out of this. I got 2 packages of strawberry jello. It's a 4-pack. And then I got 2 4-packs of cherry. Now they grab sugar-free. I did not click sugar-free, but we'll see how it does. Then, of course, you can't make a sandwich without sandwich cheese. And then I'm trying this plant-based cheese. It's the Babel. Am I saying that right? The round cheese. I wanted to see it. It had plant-based, so I said, let me try it. Then I got some mild cheddar cheese, and the 3 cheeses. Yes, I use a lot of cheese. And then I got a small container of Velveeta cheese. So these are the items I got for this section. So now I'm going to put this away and then we'll get the next one. I still have bags, guys. Now here is the final part of the haul. Now this is the part that I really like because it's a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, we're going to start on this side. Now I love to eat these little baby peppers with the hummus. Good snack. And I don't know how I ordered a separate red bell pepper and then the multi-pack with red, yellow, and orange. I have 3 of these yellow squash. Excuse me. And I have some tomatoes. I normally get the little baby tomatoes, but I think I will use these quicker than I will the baby tomatoes. Then I have some spinach mix, some bella mushrooms, and I got some romaine lettuce. I'm starting to really like this lettuce. I got 2 of these purple or red onions, purple onions. I got me some more little treats to snack on, some carrot sticks. I got a little salad mix for my husband. He likes these package mix. I got 2 packages of this cauliflower. I got about 6 pears. And forgot about these. They're called slumpy potatoes, but they're the diced potatoes with onions. My grandmother used to make these for breakfast, okay? These are for my burritos, though. Then I got me some bella mushrooms with the cheese inside, already made up. I wanted to get these. I got me 2 avocados. Now, avocados are really good for you, and I like to put them in my salad. And also when I make I have a pasta dish that I really love, and I put the avocados in there. Now, the fruit, I got the container of pineapples. These go in my husband's lunch. I get him a little snack bag, and I put fresh fruit in there. So I have pineapples. I have some blackberries, 2 containers of blackberries. I got 1 bunch of bananas. I didn't get 2 because last time we had 3 go bad before we got ready to eat them. Now this is a melody for him. It's cantaloupe and I'll call them what we used to call them: cantaloupe, honeydew, and watermelon. See, we used to call it mushmelon. If you're from the country, you know what I mean. And then I got this big container of watermelon. I got 5 mangoes. And then I got a container of mixed grapes, the green and the red, like he likes them in his lunch. And then I got a bag of Gala apples. I'm going to start putting these in the juicer and juicing these apples. I think they'll be really good for me to try. So this is my big haul that I got today. I had it ordered from H-E-B. It made it easy today because people are not feeling well in the house. Mainly, I had a headache. He wasn't feeling good. So this is the best way to get the groceries. Now, so if you like this video, let your girl know down below what you think of the haul. What items did I pick that you would get or you wouldn't get? Let me know down below. You know I love reading your comments, and I will catch you in the next episode. Bye-bye. If you want to see more, click on the videos listed below, and you be blessed.